Are you looking to export customer data from your Shopify store easily? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to exporting customers using the StoreRobo Import Export Suite for Shopify. StoreRobo is an advanced import-export app designed to make managing your Shopify store data simple and efficient. With StoreRobo, you can export only the customer data you need quickly and in a few clicks. Let's get started. From your Shopify admin, head to the StoreRobo Import Export Suite. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find StoreRobo in the Shopify App Store and the link in the description. Under Export, select Shopify CSV as the template and proceed. From the options, select Customers as the data you want to export. Now, let's customize your export. StoreRobo allows you to choose specific columns to include, like customer name, email, phone number, and location. You can export the required data and skip the rest. Export all customers or a specific group of customers with advanced filters. Filter data based on date range, country, account status, and more. If you prefer to save the exported customer data on an FTP server, enable this option and configure your FTP profile with your FTP server credentials. You also have an option to select a delimiter to be used in the CSV file. The default one is a comma. If you think you'll need to export similar customer data in the future, StoreRobo lets you save your configuration as a preset. Just click on Save Preset, enter a name, and you're good to go, no need to reconfigure every time. Once you configure your export settings, click the Export button. StoreRobo will process the data and generate a downloadable file for you. If you had chosen the FTP option, the file will also be available there. And that's it. You've successfully exported your customer data from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.